So basically, the purpose of WW root is it is used to hold a static files. Am I right or wrong? Say yes or no? It is used to hold a static files. Okay. So all the static files will be stored here. Now what you need to do here is you just go. The step one is create a www root folder. Check whether you have created a root folder in your project. You see there is a root folder, ma? Everybody? Everybody say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And then you need to go here. Step 2. First, you need to modify a product model class which will hold the file path property stored in a database. Am I right or wrong? Am I right or wrong? Say yes or no. See, you are storing file here. Where you will store the path of the file for a record? It is in database. Correct or wrong? Say yes or no. Kishore, Rajni, Ranjit, you need to speak, everybody.
Yes, sir.
You guys need to store the database or not? So what you need to do in the model, you go to product model. Here you say public string, say product file path. What is the path we are storing, ma? Product file path, right? Whether this particular product file path column is available in your database right now? It is not. It is not available in your database. How do I confirm? How do I confirm is go to your SQL Server Management Studio. I'm going to SQL Server Management Studio. Once it has been opened, you say connect. Now in the database, product DB under the table, now in the table, do you have product file path? Do you have a product file path in this? Please unmute and talk here. I'm getting bored.
No, sir.
Do you have any product file path here?
Oh, no.
No, sir, no.
I don't have it.
No, right? So what you need to say, go to your here. Once you added the model, build the project. Once you are added the model, build the project. So what is your step 3? Can anyone tell me what is your step 3? Step 3, create a property name in the product file path. File path. 1 second. Sir. 1 second, guys. Hello. Sir. Sir. Sir, I'm not able to hear you, sir. Sir, I'm not able to hear you. Okay. Product file path in the product model. Then step 4, rerun the migration. Migration once again. Hello. Hello. Mahagaru. వినిపిస్తుంది సార్ క్లాస్ లో ఉన్నాను ఒక 10-15 అలా కాల్ చేయనా ఓకే ఫైన్ ఓకే so to do the rerun of migration, first what you need to do, anyone can tell me the migration, those who are attended my entity framework, can you tell me what is the code we need to make the migration? Go to Nugget Package Manager console. Can anyone tell me what is the migration we have to do? Dipankar.
Add migration name.
Add hyphen
migration name.
What is your migration name I can give? Can I say
add
product
property. Yeah.
version 1? Sorry, product version 2.
Product version
Can I say this? Everybody?
Yes.
Because the second version of the product model we are doing. So when you click enter, a migration file will be created. What happened? What is the command we used?
Maybe
TLS add hyphen migration product version 2. Enter. What happened, ma? Let's go here. Migration. Correct only. Control C. CLS. Control V. Product model version 2. Enter. Okay. Package tools is missing.
Sir, just now I joined the call. So what we are going to do today?
Come again?
I mean, just now I joined the call. Okay. So what we are covering right now?
We are covering the product image.
Okay, fine.
So we need to update this one. What is the version we need to take? For 8.0.14. Install. So we need to take this tools package. Then only the command will be executed. Now you see there is a tools package is added in the solution. And
Yes.
then rebuild the project. Will the recording is going on? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now go to tools. Go to Nugget Package Manager console. Complete the CLS. Control V. Click on end. Product model version 2. See, now the command is executed. Because of the tools package was missing, model is my command console is not able to execute the command. Now it will create a migration file for you. Now you see there is a migration file created, ma. Everybody say yes or no?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, one doubt, sir.
Who's that?
Sir, Sai Kumar.
Yeah, tell me, Sai.
Sir, if you using that command, all models are updated or only that one model only, sir?
I don't understand.
We have some different models, right?
Okay.
Update model. So if you're using directly that command, which model is, sir, that one updated?
It is updated only the product model. Why? Because it will update only the product model. Why? Because this product model will call a DB context. You see here DB set and DB
Okay.
context.
So how many models on DB context? That model is only affected, sir, right?
Yes, you are right.
So,
If you add
so
2 or 3 models here, only those 2 or 3 models will get affected. It will not affect the other model. Okay.
okay, sir. Thank you.
You understand my point, Sai?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Whatever the model you are associated in this DB context as a DB set, only that model will create a table for you.
Sir,
It
if
will not
work
create
on
all
only,
the one.
sir, if you work on only particular model, that time what happens, sir? We will have to any specific command for one model.
Come again?
If we want to work on only one particular model, we will not affect on remaining. So in that time, what happens, sir? If you have any particular command,
It depends on the business. See, which model you want to affect, only that model you make the entity change, right? Property change, right? You are not going to change all the model property, right?
yes, sir.
See, in this class, in this DB context, if you have 2 or 3 models, okay, let's
Okay.
take product DB model, let's take order model, let's take user model. How many models we
Okay.
have? 3 models.
4 model, 3 models.
One is for user model, another one is for product model, another one is for order model. But
Okay.
I'm going to make a change of only the product model as a product file path, as a property, right? Sai Kumar.
Yes, sir.
So when you create a migration, it will create all the tables, everything, but which one will get affected? Only the product model only get affected, right?
Okay.
Okay, only that one you are going to create an updation.
Okay,
Understand
sir.
my point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Now come back. Here, I say update hyphen database product model version 2. Before that, always a best practice, once you create a migration file, build the project. Okay. And then go to tools. And then go to Nugget Package Manager console and click enter. Now it will create a script and execute in the database. See, migration is happening or not? Everybody say yes or no? Migration has happened or not?
Yes, it's
Yes,
happening.
Migration has happened. Now, if you go to your SQL Server, refresh your DB. Now go to your table. You see there is a product table. The product table has product file path column added or not? Say yes or no?
Yes.
Everybody. Product file path is added in your table or not? Say yes or no? Sai
It's,
Kumar, Ranjit, Gautam Singh,
Yes,
it's added.
Gautam Singh, Dipankar, Gautam Singh, you speak, otherwise please. Rajni, Ranjit,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We are seeing it's added.
added right? Now, coming back here, now if you go and run the project, you will get that particular value from the DB also. Now what I want to do here, I'm trying to add certain here, I'm going to add folder, say products. Clear, ma? And then let me download some 3 images. How many records are in your table? Let's see. Select top 1000 rows. Now I am not going to create table here. I'm just going to read the data from the table. That's it. No data is available. Now this is still empty. Why? Because the data has been deleted. Fine, no problem. Now go here. Go to your model builder. Let me seed this data.
So why it deleted?
I don't know
Because
why it is deleted. It should not delete it. Earlier in my old projects and all, it won't delete it. I don't know why it is deleted. Okay. And then what I can do, let me take 3 images. Take some 3 pictures. I take these 2 time being. Copy. Go to folder. Right click. How to do that?
paste option is in. Paste. Good.
Open in File Explorer. paste. Now right click, rename, copy, go here in the seed data, you say product file path equal to dot jpg, and here also you have to say comma product file path equal to I say dot jpg. Okay, now come back in the upstairs, you add a one more field, product file path equal to, I say the one which I created here. What is that? The second one. I take this one, copy. Sorry, it is a PNG. Now go and change dot PNG. Dot PNG. This is the file I'm going to store in the DB. File name. Okay, not the entire path. I'll teach you how to do that, storing the path in the server. I will teach you that one tomorrow. Now, build the project. Now go to your program.console. Where is the console? Package manager console. Here, you say TLS. I say version 3. File is created. And then enter. Now, if you go to the SQL, when you run the query, you got the data? You got the data or not? Say yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Everyone. Sai Kumar, Sarath, Ranjit, Gautam Singh.
Yes, sir.
You got the run? Now, if you see here, sir, what is the purpose of EF migration history table? You need to understand that table also, right? Now, if you go in the table, you see how many times the migration has happened. When it has happened, with the current date time stamp, with the migration name. You see? It is happening or not? Say yes or no. 4 times we touched this product table with the migration script. So this is the migration script where we need to understand. Clear my point? Say yes or no.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now minimize this. Just close everyone. Close all tabs. Go to project. Okay. Now go back here. Close the dependency. Close this. Go to your controller product model. And then go to your index action method. In this method, put a breakpoint. And then try to run the project. Now what will happen? it will hit the here. Now you see, when you click on F11, it is going to your service, get the list of products. Now, if you look into the product with a quick watch, you see you got the image, name, everything. Say yes or no? All these are comes from database or not? Say yes or no?
Yes.
And then this model you are sending to your front end. Clear my point? But sir, you could have asked one question to me. How do I need to bind this image into my front end? Am I right or wrong? You need to bind the image, right?
Yes.
So what I'm going to do here, before cast, I'm going to create TD product image. Product image. Now, same thing here. I'm going to create TD tag. Here I'm going to say IMG SRC is equal to products at models dot product file path, and then ALT equal to at models dot product name, and then I'm closing this. Understand my point? Everybody clear? Everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
I simply added an image tag and I added a source path as well as the name. Now, if I run the project, you can see the image. Just continue. You see, there is an image.
Yes.
But sir, what is this, sir? Full screen it is showing. It is not good, right? You need to set the width of the image or not.
Yes. We need to set height and width.
So go here, take this image, go back to here in the header, under the style, you say image tag width colon 200 pixel, height 100 pixel. Clear? Now save all, try to run it. Looks good? Say yes or no?
Yes.
Everybody.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Looks good or not? This is how you have to build. Now, if you mouse over on the image, you will get an alt tag. See, it doesn't have anything. Okay. So this is how you need to build the product. Clear my point? Anybody have any questions so far? Gautam Singh. Gautam Singh. Guys, you tell me what to do with him. Sachin.
Not sure, like, is in the right environment or not to speak. Not sure.
But he's attending continuously 3 classes, but he's not responding.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Now, when you click on a product, do you have a product image to upload here option?
No.
We need to design the product image option also, right?
Yes.
So what you are going to do here, in the create CSHTML, you come down after description, you add a div class row empty-3, right? Then div class call-empty-4 call-sm-4 I need to add. And then what I need to add? Label ASP for equal to, simply say product image. Got it, ma? Everybody clear? But here you have an error. Why? Because you need to add that product image. Where is that? It is in your model. Designing this is very, very easy. All you need is understand line by line what we are doing. Copy, go here, paste. Now it's done. And then create a one more div class call-md-8 call-sm-4 sorry 8 make it a 6, otherwise it will go big. Make it a 6. Here inside I have to use input type equal to file path, right? And then ASP-for equal to paste /end. Now build the project. It will throw error. Can anyone tell me what is the reason?
Because we are binding add product model, so we need to add the property there also.
Come
I
again?
mean, we need to add the property product file path into our add product model.
So basically, which model we are using in this? Are we using a product model or add product model? Come on, guys. Dipankar,
Add product
Gautam,
model.
Kishore, everybody. What model we are using?
Add product model.
Add model product. Will the add model product as a file path property?
No, don't have.
Do you have a file path property here?
No.
No,
We
right?
have to add it.
So what you need to do? Public iForm file. You need to use iForm file, product file. Now you see product file, right? This product file this product file in the create you have to use. You should not use this property because this what it is saying, can anyone tell? Can anyone read the exception? What is the exception it is saying?
This model doesn't contain a definition of product file path.
Because we are not added. Now you are going to use it. Now you got the error?
No.
No.
Error left away. But there is a difference. In the product model, you use a string. Whereas in the add product model, you use a form file. Why? What is the difference? Anyone can tell me what is the difference?
Because it will give the capability to
Okay,
get
okay. Sorry.
more information.
Come again?
I mean, it will give the capability to get more information, like while uploading the file. Like
No.
no. Okay.
Basically, when you are posting any create, it should not accept a string as whenever you are uploading a file, you need to use iForm file. Or you got my point? Listen carefully. When you upload a file from user interface, we cannot map with string property. Clear my point? We always map with iForm file. Not only here, in Angular also. When you are uploading any file, it could be PDF, it could be image, it could be whatever the way you want to. Okay, always you have to use iForm file. Clear my point? And one more thing you have to make. Whenever we use a iForm file, whenever we use a iForm file, we need to use enc type in the form tag. Got my point? See here, in form tag of create, we had only form method equal to post. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
We had only form method equal to post. Here, you need to add one more enc type equal to multi-part form data. You understand my point?
Yes.
If you are not having this, the file what you are uploading will not be detected by the property. I will show you now. Now go back to your product controller. Go to your create add product model. Click on this. Go to your index. Remove this breakpoint. Try to run the project. Yes, you are correct. Encryption type. Gautam. Sorry, Gautam. I am not aware of it, whether your mic is problem or not. I'm sorry for it. Okay. Now you see all the images are there. Click on add product. You got a file form?
Yes.
You got a file or not? Say yes or no.
Yes.
Choose a file. Take some image. What? This guy doesn't have any image. Okay, let's take this one, Angular. Now say here, Angular course. My product is Angular. Here I can say Angular course. And cost is 7,000 rupees is my cost. The moment when you click submit, now you got the model, iAction model with the create. Now, if you go into this model, you see there is a product file is available or not? Say yes or no, everybody.
Yes.
Please, yeah, my effect will be taken care. Please. If you speak, I'll be more happy. Dipankar, Gautam, Rajini, Ranjit, Sai Kumar. Please. Please
Yes, sir.
speak.
We can.
Now, if you look into here, you see there is a file, form data of name product file, angular.png. You see the header, length, what is the file name, everything is there or not, Amma?
Right. Correct.
Correct.
Clear my point?
Yeah.
Now, what I want to do, once the data is come here, I need to save this file in the here. I need to save this file in the product folder. Say yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
How to do that? Can anyone tell me? I want that logic should be built by you guys. You have to tell me, I will drive it. How to build the logic to get the file? Can anyone tell me, please?
So basically, like, I mean, like, first we need to check the condition that file is uploaded by the user or not.
Okay. Okay. I'm checking. If model dot, no, not here. Before the model state, after model state, we have to check. So what I'm going to check here, if model dot file path product file
Yes.
not equal to null. Yes, I checked. Now what I need to do?
Then so basically we need to create the path. I mean, like, we need to create the path.
First, I need to create a path of this particular place from the root folder. Am I right or wrong?
Correct.
So how to create a root folder? How to get the root folder? To get the root folder, I have to inject one more variable saying that private read only iWebHost environment. Understand my point? I say environment. Okay. I have this iWebHost environment is already created a instance. Okay. File share is not used here, Gautam. So what you need to do, you come here, you say I host a web environment, enter. I simply got the environment. Say yes or no?
Yes.
This dot. Why I am using this? Anyone can tell me what is the purpose of this here?
It will refer the current.
Basically,
Object.
these two variables are denoted for product controller class. To identify this, I am going to use this dot. And this is coming from the parameter. Okay. Now come back. I say string underscore file path equal to this dot underscore environment dot content root path.
Okay.
No, not
It
content.
should be web root path, right?
Okay. I got a web root path. Now, when I run it, I'm going to stop here. Already 10:06. Remaining logic we can build by tomorrow. Don't worry.
Sure, sir.
Sir, the moment when I click on product, I'm saying here Angular, something like this. Okay, Angular version 16. Click on choose file. Some WhatsApp image I taken. No, not this one. Let me take some file. I take this image. No, man. Image naming is not proper. Okay, I take this Angular. I say 7,000. When you click on a submit, you are coming here. Model state is not there. Product file, I have a Angular name, image and all. Now you see,
Yes,
you got a root folder.
right.
Everybody say yes or no? Environment is given a content root path or not? Say yes or no? Rajni?
Yes, sir. Parallelly, I'm in another call also. Sorry for
No
that.
problem.
Yeah.
Ranjit,
Yes, sir.
Sarar, Dipankar, Sai Kumar,
Sir. Yes, yes, sir.
you got the root or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now what you need to do, I will stop the project. Once I get that path, I'm going to append file path plus equal to, can I say products? Say yes or no?
Yes,
And then I say plus model dot
product file. Dot file
Dot.
path.
File name,
Yeah, file name.
right? Will it build the entire path of the file? Say yes or no?
Yes.
Now, once I create the file, do I need to use a file path dot save, right? So what I'm going to do, system dot io dot file dot create file. Create,
File.
not create file. It is not happening here. basically used to have using
File stream, I think we have to use.
input stream something.
Uh, I think it should be file stream.
Okay, file stream. File stream equal to new of file stream class. There you need to pass the what is file stream is expecting. File stream is expecting a file path, right?
Yes.
No, file stream doesn't require a stream dot copy to. Hold on a second. One of my project I made, I'm taking that. Yeah. Okay. So it's a very simple thing. Var stream. Okay. Var stream equal to system dot io dot file dot create. There I'm going to pass my path. What is my path?
File path.
Underscore file
File path.
path. And then I have to use stream dot copy to. And say stream object. Clear my point? Say yes or no?
Yes.
And then you need to get the file name, right? Which will be stored here. In your this file stream, okay, fine, leave it. Now build the project. No, run. Today is a big session, right?
Yes.
create product, say Angular 16 and 17. I click on the file, scroll down, select the Sachin and Sai Kumar.
Yes, I think your
Sorry,
battery.
guys, everybody left.
Yes, only me and Sai is here.
Okay, shall we complete or we will do it tomorrow?
It's up to you.
No. Let's complete this flow and we'll go.
Sure.
You take this Angular image. I say 7,000. Then submit. Now what happened? Model state, product file, path is created. Now you see the path is created or not?
Yes.
And then I'm going to copy the stream. Now, if you look into the solution, you see Angular image is created.
Yes, it has created.
Sai Reddy
Yes, sir, it's created, sir. Yes, sir, it's created.
created. Now coming back in the F11, I'm going to call the model. But here, this model, you need to get a file name or not, file path or not.
Yes.
So what do you need to do? What do you need to do?
We need to add one more
Here,
initialization.
file path equal to
Product model.
product model dot product file dot. Can I use a file name?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Now build it. Now run the process. సాయి ఈజీగా ఉందా టఫ్ ఉందా?
సార్ లిటిల్ బిట్
కమగే
కొంచెం అర్థం కావట్లేదు సార్, నేను అది చూసుకుంటా వీడియోస్.
అర్థం కాల. ఓకే, ఆఫ్టర్ ద కాల్ మీ. ఓకే,
ఓకే సార్,
విల్ డిస్కస్.
ఓకే సార్.
Angular 17, choose a file, scroll down, Angular selected, I say 7000, submit, action is happening. Now you see the model. It is there or not? File name is there or not?
Yes,
Yes,
it is
sir.
there.
Angular.png.
Now continue. Now when you scroll down, why da? What happened? Okay. The problem is we need to add few changes. The file name you need to be changed and that need to be associated probably. We'll do one thing. I go here. Angular.png. What this table contain? Angular.png. It is correct only.
Yeah, correct.
Then why it is not added? We'll see.
Can you refresh again?
No. In the index, product controller. Something wrong. Let me refresh. It's correct only. Angular.png is there, no?
Can you check that this file is uploaded earlier correctly or not?
Come again?
I mean, can you check this, like this file has uploaded correctly in the file path or not earlier, like
It is.
while going to File Explorer, I meant to say. Oh, it is there.
You have, no?
No, see, I think the image is not showing here.
Okay. Okay. What is the issue then?
Maybe earlier, like before, I mean, like we were doing debugging part that time. Maybe it was not uploaded.
Here, instead of using that, stream dot sometimes these kind of things will make you fishy, right?
Yes.
Okay. Model dot product file dot copy to of stream. Okay. Now try to run. Update Angular 1.2 and 1.2 choose file. Let me take this one, say 7,000, click submit. Okay, perfect. Now it is viewing. Okay,
Mm.
run the
Continue.
product. Perfect. Clear?
Yes.
Sai, Sachin.
Yes, it's clear.
Yes, sir, clear, sir.
Now we simply delete this. We don't want this. Run. Let's see. You have only 4 records. Update will do tomorrow. Clear my point?
Okay.
Yes, okay, sir. Thank you.
Sai call చేస్తావా మాట్లాడదాం.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
నంబర్ ఉందా నా దగ్గర నీ దగ్గర?
On this, sir.
ఓకే ఫైన్.